Welcome guys, welcome to the Sneaky Dino Gaming. So today we'll be looking at all the defender smokes on Accent. So the first one is on the B side. You come here, you'll notice this dot. Okay, line your crosshair on the junction of the tiles on top of the dot, and then take your smoke. Look at that position where the arch inner line meets the arch border. Jump, right click and throw. Okay, so that nade lands there,
Poison orb emitting.
and it is pretty much one-way smoke. So you can look at all the beds and all.
Poison's off.
Okay, but if you see, the attackers won't be able to look at the
Poison
defenders
orb
until
emitting.
they peek wide open. So they have to come this far into the open so that they can see. In the
Poison's off.
meantime, you can hit from all these areas. Okay, so if you look at,
Poison orb emitting.
you can hit from here, here, until here. So the only place you will be visible is from here, which apparently you will not be using. So this is the first smoke
Poison's off.
on the defender side, on B side. So again, what you have to do is find the dot here and look your crosshair down and come up to this junction. So mark it as close as you can, as accurately as you can. Look at this junction here where this slab meets the outer line of the arch. Jump, right click, throw. So that is the first smoke on B as a defender.
Poison orb emitting.
Okay, so the next smoke will be on A site. So you got to find this center brick which has a faded dot like structure, and you got to look your crosshair down into that and a little up above until you have a right angle with the right side and the bottom side of this above brick. Then you got to look into this black area of the bottom of the ledge and then jump, right click. Okay, so once the nade sits there,
Poison
you have a
orb
one-way
emitting.
smoke from where you can see from this edge, this corner, or you can watch from the heaven.
Poison's off.
You have the vision, but they do not until they peak extremely wide until there.
Poison orb emitting.
So there you see. You can hide here onto the right corner and watch all the way from here to here. Half of their bodies will be visible,
Poison's off.
but what they see is not what you see. So whoever is coming from the attacker side
Poison
will
orb
only be able
emitting.
to see once they peak till here. So if you are hiding there or there or on the
Poison's
heaven,
off.
they won't be able to see until they peak halfway, which is a very good advantage for you in case you are playing a defender on site A. So guys, one more smoke on A is from the defender side is here. So you come to this corner, this is the A side, and you come to this corner, take the nade and you find this alone cloud. So you move from the tip to the right until you match this edge here. So roughly here, left click, throw. So this should land on the wall here,
Poison orb
give
emitting.
you a view. So from here your teammate can peek all the way here until so
Poison's off.
the attackers, whoever are trying to
Poison orb
so
emitting.
this is a one-way smoke where your teammate or you can peek all the way up here.
Poison's
So
off.
the attacker who is trying to push through A mains is
Poison orb
left,
emitting.
unable to view until they peak so wide,
Poison's off.
which is at least until here. So you have a very good advantage.
Poison orb emitting.
So at least if that guy peaks until here, he can't
Poison's off.
have an advantage to shoot him before he sees you. So this is again a very good one-way smoke. So again, what you got to do is come to this corner on site A, take your poison orb, roughly place your crosshair on a right angle with this bottom of this cloud and the corner of this cloud. Left click throw. So this will roughly land on this one here. So
Poison
got a one-way
orb
smoke
emitting.
where the enemy can't see you until he comes until he. The enemy can only see you if he comes like here. So you got a very good advantage of
Poison's off.
before he sees you. I hope you liked the smokes so far on Accent using Viper. If so, please subscribe to my channel and support me. I'll be doing such videos in the future as well, even if there is a map change, and also with other heroes and their abilities. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you for viewing this so far. So now let us continue with the video and see other defender smokes going forward. So now that you have watched the smokes in A and B, let's also watch one smoke in the mid. So what you got to do is in the mid, you got to hug this wall here, this corner here, and then there is a small shed there. So what you got to do is line up your crosshair onto that corner, jump through. So what happens is your smoke just falls exactly where the mid peaker from the attacker side is trying to get you.
Poison
So
orb emitting.
there, the complete set is blocked. So I'll quickly show you how this looks
Poison's off.
from an attacker perspective.
Poison orb
So
emitting.
for an attack perspective, so this is how it looks. He can only come and peek this corner, and apart from that, the whole view is blocked.
Poison's off.
So that is one mid smoke. So again, I'll quickly show you how it is done again. So this is a mid defender smoke. All you got to do is find this corner in the middle of the map and align your crosshair exactly there. Jump throw.
Poison orb emitting.
So all these smokes,
Poison's
all the
off.
first three smokes can be managed with a little bit of marginal error. So I hope you like these smokes on the defender side. Okay, so the last smoke I'll be showing you from the defender side on map accent is from this A shot room onto the B to mid way. So what you got to do is find this corner here where this door is present. Find this blackened branch, and then you have a H-shaped leaf here. So randomly anywhere in between you can place this jump throw, and what happens is your smoke falls somewhere there.
Poison orb emitting.
So that depends on the margin, again margin of error. So this is completely blocked. So what you can do is you can quickly come here and peek the picture. Also you can have your teammate peek here. So
Poison's off.
a multiple angle peak, and they won't be able to push it from here.
Poison orb emitting.
See, they can't hold any angles here.
Poison's off.
It's completely blocked. Not even probably here, and definitely not here.
Poison orb emitting.
So they have a very slight chance of hiding here and here.
Poison's off.
So again, I'll quickly show you how to throw the mid smoke from A shot. Come to this corner here. This is the A site. So you have this A shot room. Come to this corner. Stick your crosshair beside this blackened branch onto anywhere randomly here, and then jump throw, and you have a smoke
Poison orb
that will
emitting.
fall anywhere there, so that the mid guy will not be able to peek. So this is not a one-way smoke,
Poison's
but
off.
I just thought this will be an add-on to your smoke section. I hope you like the video, guys. If you like it, subscribe for more such interesting content. Thank you.